guys, welcome back to Jack's YouTube channel, apparently. So, I'm going to be explaining the backstory of the abandoned hospital. Oh, and guys, also Jack is here, he just doesn't want to talk. So, okay, so it all started right here. Right? Yeah. Okay, so after it was there, the zombie bit the other person here. Bit this person. Eventually, they all went haywire. Someone was operated. They got bitten. The doctors got bitten. Everyone got bitten. Okay, so over here, over in here, mate. See, there's a gun with a flipped over table. It's flipped over a bed. So I think that the doctor survived and was hiding underneath his bed. The zombie saw him, flipped over the bed, and ran underneath the bed, found the gun, then got bitten, turned into a zombie after the zombie flipped over the table. But the whole reason it started was because of this. They were experimenting on zombies. That's not all. So before the doctor got bitten, he ran out here, boarded up this area, so the zombies could not get out. But what the zombies didn't know is someone else survived in here. But they got bitten. They ran over here, broke the glass, ran out, and put it up on top of the roof until the zombies left. That's not it. Eventually, the zombies broke down